Hi. Good evening everyone and welcome to the ABR Festival. I have got
Matt from Leeds.
Matt from Leeds.
Yeah, right.
I've also got Joe, but Joe's off camera at the moment.
Joe Mama.
Joe Mama. This is Joe. Joe's the guy I went to France with that you'll see in an upcoming video. So we are at the ABR Festival, and the reason you're watching this video is not because we're at the ABR Festival. You're watching this because I've titled this as the bike reveal. So in the back of that van there, I've got my super adventure. It's got a whole host of goodies on it, and I've also got the monkey bike. So we're going to reveal it right now. There was a couple of people that were really pissed off about me not showing the end of the decal kit video last week. Lol, sorry. Have you never seen a cliffhanger before? Nah. So let's go and get it. I'll talk you through that one in a bit. Joe's going to help me pull it out the back of the van because I don't want to drop it. What? There we go, and down we go. Yeah, it just falls straight over. Here it is, everyone. Mark from Leeds is going to do the first ride. Oh, look at them. Don't bin it. Oh, it looks so good from here. So, the modifications, let's start at the top, work to the bottom. We've got the Super Adventure R screen. We have got, obviously, the bark busters. I will be getting the black bark busters. They're on the way from Steve at a bike thing. Controversial, I know, but I've got bar end mirrors. I wasn't sure on these, but both Joe and Mark have just said that they prefer them in person. So these are the Motor Gadget bar end mirrors, so they're glassless. So they're actually just polished metal. Which I think looks really, really cool. They're super thin as well. Obviously we've got the decal kit from Motor Pro Works. As you know, I've got these Outback Motortech crash bars. I've twinned those with the Outback Motortech heavy duty sump guard. This one is 5mm of metal, I think. I know you've got all the external welds which look the dogs at Dangley's, way thicker than the Power Parts one. And then obviously I've got the Power Parts heavy duty wire wheel kit from KTM with the decals from Motor Pro Works as well. These are the tubeless rims and they're fitted with a set of TKC 80s. Let's go to the other side. Just look at it. It looks absolutely awesome. I don't think I'm going to keep this R screen on. I had it on for a motorway run and I couldn't hear a single thing, but it looks really cool for like the motocross kind of aspect. But there you go, everyone. I'll put in some close-ups anyway, but that's what she looks like. Just for the record, I'm going to show you the monkey as well because it's funny. This is the monkey bike. So we've got some Kenda big blocks, which I think look really quite cool. We've got matching bar end mirrors. These are cheap Amazon specials. They're not the really expensive ones that you get from Motor Gadget. Fake bark busters off of Amazon. These were 30 quid, so way better. Got the Denali horn because it's hilarious. We've got the fork protectors, knobbly tyres as I mentioned. We've got the Kitaco sump guard, which I think looks really cool actually. I think it does make a little, quite a bit of a difference. And then coming around to the rear, we've got a rear rack. We've got a tail tidy, so the number plate looks way better. And I've fitted these beasts, the YSS G Sport shocks. These are fully adjustable. They've got rebound and compression, I believe. I haven't actually touched them at all. And in the front, you won't be able to see, I've got a fork kit in there with heavy duty oil. So that is the monkey. Looks quite different, doesn't it? Really cool. And the best thing of all, I've got a little Converse boot on the side stand because that's what hipsters do. Oh, and I've also got a charging port. So there you go, you've got my monkey and you've got my, I'm just smiling looking at this thing, my super adventure. Oh, look at it. I'll put some close-ups in shot because I know the GoPro's not very good at picking stuff up. But there you go, my 2021 Super Adventure, which has all been changed. Next week you'll see my first video of ABR. I'm also going to race Joe. This is Joe's bike, a 2022 Africa Twin Adventure Sport. He's barely ever been off-road before. He's got pretty much their Karoo streets, which are basically road tyres. And I'm going to see if I can beat him around the ABR track on the monkey bike. That will probably be the weekend after. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. I know it's not going to be to everyone's taste. I know one guy commented, said it's got too many decals and stickers all over it. I know the bar end mirrors are not going to be to everyone's taste, but I love it. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.